In this video, I will show you how to delete your Netflix history. So that basically means that it will be removed from continue watching right here. So if that's what you want to go and do, then just open up the Netflix app or the browser, sign into your account and select your profile. Then go to the specific show or movie that you want to delete from your history and just click on the three dots. And then here click on remove from row and then click on remove. And now you'll see it's gone from here. Now, one more thing that you can do to delete your Netflix history is to click on My Netflix in the bottom right. Then from here, when you scroll down a bit, you will see trailers you have watched, and a bit under that you can see recently watched. So these are episodes of series or maybe movies that you have previously recently watched. So in order to remove one of these, all you need to go and do is just click on the three dots at the bottom right of that specific episode, and then here click on hide from watch history. Then click hide. And now within 24 hours, it will be removed from your watch history. So now you know how to delete your Netflix history. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.